Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is National Sickle Cell Anemia Eradication Mission. This mission is launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and aim of the mission is to eliminate sickle cell anemia disease by 2047. So we'll understand about the sickle cell anemia, guys. We have to understand here that the anemia is different from sickle cell anemia. In the anemia, number of red blood cells will reduce, but in sickle cell anemia, shape of the red blood cells will change. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder. It means if father and mother is having sickle cell anemia, means their child also will have the sickle cell anemia. That is the meaning of genetic disorder. Usually red blood cells are in circular shape, like this shape, red blood cells. Those will flow easily through the blood vessels. But in the sickle cell anemia disease, these blood cells will change their shape to sickle shape, means like this shape. They will change their shape like this. So this shape cells are rigid or sticky. They will stick like this, stick with each other like this, these blood cells. So it is difficult to flow in the blood vessels. What these cells will do, these will block or slow down, completely block or slow down the blood flow and oxygen flow in the body. They will stop completely blood flow and oxygen flow in the body. What are the symptoms of this disease means? Heavy body pains, will feel very low or will feel very tired, and many health issues will come due to this sickle cell anemia. Heart stroke also can come. Like this, many effects are there with this sickle cell anemia disease. Why India is concerned this much about sickle cell anemia means, India is the second worst affected country in terms of the preterm births with the sickle cell anemia. That is, chance of being born with the sickle cell anemia disease is more in India. So India is very concerned about this sickle cell anemia. And in India, tribal population is affected by sickle cell anemia. Massive tribal population is affected by the sickle cell anemia. Among the tribal population, 1 among 86 births are having this sickle cell disease. So India is very much concerned about the sickle cell anemia. States like Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Odisha, Kerala and Rajasthan. These states have high tribal population. So these states are affecting more with the sickle cell anemia, and government considered these states under the sickle cell belt. What all India is taking steps to eradicate this sickle cell anemia means, government is establishing sickle cell disease support center under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ministry of Tribal Affairs is establishing sickle cell disease support, which will bridge the gap between sickle cell patient and healthcare system in the tribal area, that too in the tribal area. And they are creating the portal, that is web-based portal registered system. Whole portal is dedicated only to the patients which are affected by the sickle cell anemia, and they are creating National Council on the Sickle Cell Disease. This is dedicated council which will monitor the sickle cell disease only. In the budget of 2023, this National Sickle Cell Anemia Eradication Mission was announced by the Government of India. And what are the features of this sickle cell anemia disease means? This anemia eradication mission is, first one is extensive screening. Ministry of Health, with in the collaboration of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, planning to screen 700 million people which are under the 0 to 40 years age, that too tribal population to screen them, to see whether these people are affected with the sickle cell anemia or not, and they will provide some health card to monitor that their future child is having sickle cell or no, and to establish the monitoring mechanism. That is, if screening any person is having the sickle cell anemia means immediately that person will undergo through proper treatment, medication and vaccination, and many counseling sessions will also conduct for those patients. And extending Ayushman Bharat scheme. Under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, network of 1.6 lakh health and wellness centers were established. Health and wellness centers were established, and these centers only helped to fight against the COVID-19 also. So these centers will extend their helping hand to fight against the sickle cell anemia also. And under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, healthcare workers will train to treat sickle cell anemia. What is the total conclusion here means? Tribal population is our cultural heritage, India's cultural heritage it is. And it is our job to protect this cultural heritage. So India is very much effectively working towards to eliminate the sickle cell anemia. That's it guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching.